हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 10th एसिड बेस एंड साल्ट केमिस्ट्री का टॉपिक आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। व्हाट आर एसिड्स? द वर्ड एसिड इज derived from the Greek word, Latin word, which means anything which has sour taste is called acid. The common acid which are in the laboratory or strong acids, they are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. All strong acids have corrosive nature. However, the bases are those substances which are soft to touch, which are soft to touch. Common examples are seawater and detergent. Now we can come to the definition of the acids. Acids are those substances which gives proton, gives hydrogen ion when dissolved in water and accept electrons. There are two types of the acids. One are mineral acids or organic acids. Another one are mineral acids. Acids in plants and animals are called organic acids. Common acids are vinegar, in acetic acid, milk or curd contain lactic acid, vinegar, orange lemon contain citric acid, tamarind contain tartaric acid, ant contain formic acid, apple contain malic acids, tomato contain oxalic acid. Now, oxalic acid is dangerous for the human consumption because it forms calcium oxalate salt when we consume, and that causes kidney stones. Another one are inorganic acids. Inorganic acids, they are also called as mineral acid derived from natural occurring minerals. Commons are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. Besides that, carbonic acid, hydrogen fluoride, acetic acids, they come also in the category of mineral acids. Concentrated and dilute acids. A concentrated acid is one which contain minimum amount of the water. Our dilute is obtained when we add water to the concentrated acid. There are some general properties of acids. Number one, they have sour in taste. They react with the water, metals, zinc, magnesium, and liberate hydrogen gas. They changes the color of the filter paper from blue to red. They conduct electricity. Common example: sulfuric acid, acetic acid, etc. General properties of the bases are they have Sophie field, may also causes burning of the skin. Common example are soaps and detergents. Caustic soda, caustic potash, milk of magnesium, magnesium hydroxide, liquid ammonium NH3, washing powder, toothpaste, etc. Question is always add SH2 on the water and never the other way. The reason is that when we add acid water to the acid, it is highly exothermic. To minimize that exothermic effect, we add acid over the water. Another one, what happens to an acid in water solution? Whenever we add an acid, oxygen of the water accept proton to form hydrogen or hydronium ion. Why water is behaves as base with acid? Since water is weaker acid in comparison with the natural occurring acid, therefore it behaves as base to form hydronium ion. Strong acids and weak acids. An acid which completely dissociate when in water or in aqueous solution are called strong acid. Strong is classified as strong acid. Aqueous solution of strong acid contain only ions along with the water. They contain hydrogen ion which combine with water to form hydronium ion. Common example are HCl gives H plus chloride negative. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid, both gives H plus and nitrate ion, 2H plus sulfate ion. Weak acid, they be an acid that dissociate only partially when dissolved in water, classified as weak acid. An aqueous solution of the weak acid contain ion and molecule. For example, acetic acid, it gives H3CO negative and H plus. There is an equilibrium between the dissociated and undissociated ion in acetic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid. Now, reaction of acid with metal. All metals react with hydrogen to gives oxide and react with dilute acid to form respective salts and liberate hydrogen gas. देखते हैं metal plus acid give rise to salt plus hydrogen. Metal is here is metal, magnesium gives magnesium chloride, that is salt plus hydrogen gas. In zinc react with chloride ion to form ZnCl2 plus H2 because valency outermost zinc exists in Z2 positive state. Iron also exists in Fe2 positive, gives Fe2SO4 plus H2. When it all acids also react with the metals like potassium, sodium, calcium means vigorously with combining with they explode. The reason is that when sodium combined with HCl, they gives NaCl plus water. Hydrogen. This hydrogen explode causes explosion. Reaction of metals with carbonate and bicarbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. देखते हैं यहाँ पे सोडियम कार्बोनेट HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Similarly, zinc carbonate gives with sulfuric acid zinc sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Similarly, ammonium carbonate plus H2CO sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now the term is neutralization. What is neutralization? The reaction between the hydrogen of an acid with hydroxide ion of the base is called neutralization. In general, neutralization is written as acid plus base, salt plus water. This is base, this is acid, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid gives chloride react with sodium gives NaCl, OH react with hydrogen gives water. Similarly, ammonium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid gives ammonium phosphate plus H2O. Lead oxide plus nitric acid gives lead nitrate plus water. Reaction of metal oxide with acid. Metal oxides, we see here, these are the metal oxide to form salt. Again, basic oxide plus acid gives salt plus water. This is basic oxide, sodium oxide plus HCl gives sodium chloride plus water. Similarly, lead oxide with nitric acid give lead nitrate plus water. Calcium oxide with sulfuric acid give calcium sulfate plus water. Reaction with the basic hydroxide. As acid undergo neutralization reaction with basic hydroxide to form again salt plus water. For example, potassium hydroxide react with potassium hydroxide react with sodium carbonate gives potassium carbonate, and sodium hydroxide react with phosphoric acid gives sodium phosphate plus water.